Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? What is Google SEM in Google Ads? Google AdWords SEM advertising campaign. What is SEM ads? SEM SEM or search engine marketing uses paid advertising to ensure that your business, products or service are visibility in search engine result page SERPs. When you use type of creating keyword SEM, search engine marketing enable your business appearance result their search query. Friends, just one talks SEM, Google SEM, search engine marketing in paid advertising. SEM, paid advertising. Search engine marketing. Search engine marketing as a SEM, paid advertising in a digital marketing strategy used to increase visibility of website search engine result page. Where industry wants of result growth, organic search activities, search engine optimization, and paid into the refers most excellent paid service advertising, search advertising. Search engine marketing also alternative refers paid search engine PPC, pay per click. Search engine optimization in parts of SEM. In broad concept which explain the method using the visibility website search engine result page and marketing. From internet marketing that enough to probability of website search engine marketing land discovers how to early SEM was defense as method in cloud SEO, paid placement, contractual advertising, digital edge optimization, paid includes the team SEM has because over time only paid search method the most community accept defense of SEM search engine marketing. The process including traffic of your website versus on search while search engine optimization because essential and marketing click throughout search engine marketing. Yourself C blog organized meeting towards the provide PPC pay per click, PPC terms, best practice, etc. etc. Google Ads and SEM. Google Ads does not need a introduction. Digital market show by the power of Google Ads. However, crisis study provide the effect of Google Ads in driving business and converting lead and acquisition. What are the difference between search engine marketing and Google Ads? The following selected key and run Google Ad campaign. You're also great better than type of SEM strategy. SEM and memorable term of PPC. SEM has broad difference. It is the unmemorable term for running PPC campaign, pay-per-click campaign, and search engine marketing SEM specialist and exchange different type of PPC campaign. SEM including every result and then campaign, while Google Ads generate generate more following and popular SEM others search engine Yahoo and Bing also part of SEM strategy. Google Ad is type of SEM. Google Ad practically the gold standard for SEM and effective SEM campaign always provide running success. Google Ad campaign. Google paid search engine network, the Google display network, YouTube, and addition can be also app ad campaign, shopping ad campaign, Google My Business account via Google Ads, app campaign, promote your app, also Google Access, shopping ad, display ad, SRESP, search engine result page, Google ecosystem, Google My Business, promote your local brand, SEM, search engine marketing, obtain search broad through Google Ads dozen. Google Ads bring you service. Google Ad always use the set budget cap. You never pay more than cap you set. Besides, you can adjust and process budget anything your conversion. Google will also shows in your budget. Google Ad campaign, setting budget cap and ROI of running and Google campaign. Google Ads depends on the right keyword. Also, SEM studies depend on right use with Google Ads and Bing Ads. You will have delivered keyword strategies and show how sign Google is the biggest search engine. You know keyword strategy. All you're more successful in Google Ads because you then fast. You can explain the bring system on better Google Ads. Google Ad obtain better quality score. Google Ads and Bing Ads have a system setting. Google quality score the more useful than the cost on SEM competitor, the best quality score and your ad rank, Google Ad campaign or PPC, Google Ads. Google Ad campaign with the Google Ads. One best of Google Ads enable campaign on YouTube. YouTube is the most popular video sharing website and also the earn on videos. The able level a potential YouTube can go long of is in success on campaign. YouTube enjoy the digital platforms of millions reachers and with search and high effective. Google Ad is in share managed. Google Ad in consider is managed to coin SEM platform and user explain. SEM advertising campaign using Google AdWords from the lead generation in B2B campaign then source. Google AdWords SEM advertising campaign. Google AdWords, Google tools and open advertising your potential advertising. In enable your performance the search of planned keywords that e-fast service and gold. It helps performance follower up by a high access method. SEM campaign budget design and action ad. With then concept or PPC you only pay ad switch and cable. Google AdWords SME campaign. Google AdWords search engine campaign. This is service enable us to tax and that because active in Google AdWord banner SME campaign, Google AdWord remarking SME campaign, Google AdWord remarking SME campaigns, search engine marketing campaign, remarking campaign are another service on Google AdWord. Remarking enable use the reach and that has already visit on the domestic page and that is then the search on sites and then part of Google display network when they are looking terms of relation of products and service. Google AdWord banner SME campaign must more visual than agent. Create and campaign banners which is make including display network on Google. Google AdWord search SME. Google AdWord and SME campaigning. Google AdWord and SEM campaign. Google AdWord SME advertising campaign. Google SME and campaign, the search engine marketing, obtain the possibility care of advertising campaign per click internet using search engine, search as a Google. These tools are obtained by engaging tables and content. Study of service, targeted public, study of keywords, design optimized decision, landing page, design of text, display ad, updates with keyword, content display, SEM campaign, marketing, change and notification, and improve result, monthly report and campaign result, Google AdWord and advertising. Friends, thank you. The nice presentation, Google search engine marketing and Google Ad and Google AdWord SEM advertising campaign. Best of luck. Thank you.